Now at noon, a growing wildfire in West Miami-Dade. At last check, the fire has scorched 565 acres and is only 20% contained. Crews have been working around the clock to put out the flames. CBS News Miami's Marybel Rodriguez is your reporter live in West Miami-Dade with the latest on this firefight. Marybel.
Well, Naja, I can tell you we're here on Northwest 122nd Avenue and Northwest 41st Street. This is an industrial area. We have been out here since 4 o'clock this morning. As you can see, there are small plumes of smoke. This happened since 3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. Miami-Dade police officers directing traffic and closing off a part of Northwest 122nd Avenue and 41st Street due to a fire in the area.
It's my first time that I see something like this. So I'm driving from Hialeah, and when I saw it, I feel like that is a big smoke. And then you have black smoke. They have a big, like a tower smoke. I feel scared.
Miami-Dade Fire Rescue choppers made water drops over the fire to try to extinguish the brush fire, which ignited at around 3:45 Monday afternoon. Police say multiple transformers blew out in the area where the fire started near an FPL plant, a cement plant, and the West Miami-Dade Detention Center. We've also learned that a nearby business dismissed their workers early on Monday because of the smoky conditions.
Smoke can travel for miles, impacting air quality. Smoke from brush fires contains small particles and some pollutants that can actually affect your overall health, but especially your lungs. We do recommend that you stay indoors as much as possible when smoke is visible or when air quality is poor.
FPL workers came out to help at the request of MDFR, isolating a section of a power line near the fire that affected 38 households. The wind pushing the smoke towards Doral, creating health concerns for people in the area. Not only was the smoke felt and smelled in West Dade, it went all the way to Broward. On Tuesday, residents in Pompano Beach say they can smell and see the smoke in the air.
It smelled like something burning. I immediately noticed it.
And back out live here, you can see here near Northwest 122nd Avenue and 41st Street, you can see some of those small plumes of smoke here in the area. Right now, according to forestry, 60%, 600 acres have been consumed and 30% have been contained. We're live in West Miami-Dade. Marybel Rodriguez, CBS News, Miami.